Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're yet to subscribe, please do subscribe. I bring to you every week consistently weekly review and weekly analysis, and your subscription will enable you to be able to see when I've dropped this video. So you also need to turn on your notification buttons for that. Okay, we just want to quickly look at the week and what we did and the results we had. The week before this one was very successful as to the results we had, and we found out that this week was not presenting much opportunities like the previous. And like I always tell us, the reason why sometimes markets could be like that is just imagine if it's so easy all the time. In what areas would your broker be profitable? Will your broker make money at all, or rather go bankrupt? So pay attention to the fact that whenever market is so good, the following week most times or sometimes happens to be a little bit manipulative. So it's not left for you as a trader to be able to protect what you have. Don't lose what you made in a week for the next week. So that's where your psychology and your technical and fundamental analysis comes into play. When your technical analysis has been done and you're already getting the directional bias for whatever pair or coin you're trading, even if it's crypto, the next thing to do is to find out what may most likely happen in the course of the week. You could do that through experiences, back testing, and previous experience. I knew the week was going to be like that. How did I know? Just look at it. Price was coming from this reversal point of liquidity and has currently been on an uptrend, and has recently been on an uptrend. Taking out this high is a clear sign the price is coming to this next side of liquidity, and that was when I spotted this entry, of which I felt that this liquidity side would be the next side for take profit, but it didn't get there. So price got to this point and decided to make a little U-turn, and the U-turn was not very clear. So let me zoom out so you can see what I'm talking about. You can see what price kept doing. So price looked a little bit indecisive, and in that case, if you look very well, you see that there was a change of character, a break of structure, a change of character. So in a 4-hour time frame, we're neither in a trend throughout the week, or we're neither in an uptrend or a downtrend. So we're just there ranging. So it was more like a swing trade. Can you see how many entries we took? The previous week before now, we had 9 entries, and we celebrated it because it was a very profitable week. But this week we could barely count entries. The last 3 entries we got was towards the end of the week, and that's a little bit strange. So let's look. The first entry that was given, you can see what price kept doing. You can see that price kept ranging on the entry points, gave the move. Of course, you probably would have left the market thinking maybe, okay, what's the next move? Because imagine price breaking structure. You would have thought that it would come to a POI and just push forward. But because that movement, that range movement is coming from a high time frame, the lower time frame can only swing. So you cannot decide a trend here. You can only see a swing move. So if you understood it was a swing move and you went into swing trading, there is no way you would have been in trouble, or within this experience. I'm noting it for us so that we can take note of days like this, weeks like this, because my desire is that you are profitable. I don't desire that you're blowing accounts. I desire that you are growing from one level into a high level. And I don't want to see a situation where days like this becomes a trouble. You can see we didn't take entries all this point because we understood that the market was playing certain tricks, or rather manipulations. So we needed to get accurate confirmations to do certain things. So you can see the next entry we took here. I think we took it on a 3 minutes time frame. We got that confirmation and we decided to give a short sell. And one thing that I've learned to do, which I want you to imbibe also from next week, is not taking stop loss when you could clearly see from your confirmation that that is a failed entry. You could save yourself that loss. Okay, exit the trade and look for another entry. It will reduce the quantity of loss, because I tried many times bearing the losses in some accounts. Especially account that you know that it's critical and you are growing, exit them. Don't take excess losses on those accounts. So if you look at this one, this is the only take profit that we got in the course of the week. This one didn't go quite well, so it was actually a very beautiful week, but it presented little opportunity. So not much profits but no losses. You can see win, win, win. That's 3 wins, and then the big one making it the 4th win. So what happened to my VIP? For the VIP, I was able to present you the gold entry. Okay, and this gold entry was obviously coming from a very high time frame, of which I was able to see that price had, broken structure to the downside, or rather shifted structure to the downside, and I knew the price was exactly going downtrend. Okay, but I was not sure exactly how far it would go, because I was using the DXY to judge how far gold could go, and I was eluded to an extent. So in between these selling moments, when price began to range here, I was thinking price could buy. Just give a little move and continue selling. That's a time to exit. Okay, take note of all that. In this one too, I've spoiled the liquidity here. I saw that price was going to go a little bit bullish, maybe probably retracing this trend, but no, it went a little bit and went straight downward. So if you are working with good confirmation, you will know when to exit. But for you on the VIP, you don't have a problem. I tell you when to exit, and same to happen here. So we just had 1, 2, 3, 4 as well for gold. I think euro happens to be the least still for the VIP. I think euro happens to be the least, and for euro I only gave 2 entries. So the first one that I had a confirmation for was this. Yeah, obviously euro was selling. Okay, though it lagged a little bit, but it went straight to take profit. Okay, take note of when euro is delivering like this. It's so beautiful. And then this buy move, when I got here, I was break even. I think it's the news that moved this on the backside. Okay, so those are the 3 pairs we pay more attention to, knowing that we cannot trade every pair when you hand your hands full, so that may be over trading. But I'm looking into some pairs, and this is because of those who may love these pairs, like the Australian dollar and the Australian Canadian money, of which I said a few about them during the analysis time. Then I think I talked about BTC when I told you that BTC was buying. Then I talked about Ethereum. Okay, and it went just exactly as predicted. So that's the strategy is very beautiful. But what I want to add before I close is that we're adding some crypto coin now to our trading view, of which I'm going to be giving you updates. But make sure you get on Binance or Bybit on any exchange that you're comfortable with, so we can trade crypto together alongside with the Forex. See you during Monday analysis.